What if your sketchbook wasn't just for ideas, but for revolution? What if your paintbrush, your camera, your mic was a megaphone? You've got something to say. The question is, how do you say it so that people feel it? How do you turn your creative spark into a movement? This episode is your roadmap from inspiration to action or on how to use art as a tool for change. Art has never been just decoration, it's a language. It speaks when the words can't. It shakes people awake. Think back to 1937 and the bombing of Guernica. Picasso did not just write an essay, he painted a scream. His work became a global cry for peace, just one painting that spoke louder than any headline could. All throughout history, artists have stepped into the moments like this when the world cracks open. Paul Revere, for example, Jacob Lawrence painted the struggle for justice. The Guerrilla Girls plastered unfiltered truth across the art world, and street artists during the Arab Spring, well, they didn't just decorate walls, they turned them into symbols of freedom. And art doesn't just reflect change, it fuels it. And now it's your turn. So, how do you actually do that? How do you move from inspiration to impact? Let me break it down a little bit into 4 steps, starting with the first one. Before anything else, ask yourself what matters most to you. This isn't about following some trend. It's about finding the issue that keeps you up at night. It fuels you. Is it climate change, racial justice, mental health? Al Weiwei's art hits so hard because it's personal. It's born from what he has lived. That's what gives it its power. And your message doesn't have to be global. It can be local, like Candy Chang's Before I Die, mural in New Orleans. One simple wall turned into a conversation about hope, loss, and community. Find that one thing that you can't stay silent about. That's your mission. That's your message. Art's not limited to galleries anymore. Your medium is whatever gets your message out there. Street art, graffiti, poetry, digital collage, it all works. Is it video? Every medium carries its own punch. Banksy uses city walls. Speak to the world. No gatekeepers, no filters. Murals in places like Montgomery or Minneapolis have become backdrops for healing and for resistance. So pick your weapon. Make your art loud enough that silence is just not an option.